Okay, what we have here is 2000 BMW 323 Ci with an M3 conversion. The bumper's already done, the rims are done, the grills are done, mirrors, the interior is gonna be sick. I can push you guys up with that later. Okay, as you can see, Brembo brakes, tail lights are coming in, and we got the carbon fiber lip, okay, with TSCO Racing exhaust, kept back, everything got taken off, all the resonator is off, just straight pipe from the intake straight to the back muffler. Okay, so now I'm gonna let you guys hear it, see what you think. Over here, this is my shop, Strong Island Customs. You can look me up. I do all kinds of works and everything. Yeah, so we're about to show you. John! Come here. So, I'm gonna show you everything. How this baby sounds. Okay. Pass it to my friend. What do you want? And that is it right there. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. See you guys at the next time.